Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Waves of Mathematics, and today we are going to another question of Olympiad. So you can see the question is 9 raised to the power 9 into 9 raised to the power 9 into 9 raised to the power 9 upon 9 power 9 plus 9 power 9 plus 9 power 9 equals to 9 raised to the power x. You can see in the numerator the 9 raised to the power 9 repeated 3 times in the product form, and the denominator it will be a addition form. So we need to find the value of in the right hand side is 9 raised to the power x. So how to find the value of this x? First of all, 9 raised to the power 9, it will be, you can see the base are the same. If the base are same, so power should be added by the exponent rule. If we have a power n, so if the base are the same, so power should be added. Okay, so similarly here the base are same, so power should be added. So if the base are same, the power should be added. So you can see the base are the same, so power should be added. And you can see the 9 raised to the power 9, it will be 3 times. So if we have 3 numbers same, so can we write it is 3x. So same we will write the 3 raised to the 3 into 9 power 9 equals to 9 raised to the power x. And 9 plus 9 plus 9, it will be 9 power 27. Okay, and denominator is 3 into 9 power 9 equals to 9 raised to the power x. After that, can we write this 9 is 3 square, whole power is 27, and upon 3 into this 9, it is 3 square, whole power 9. So we will convert these two 9s in the form of the 3. So they all are 3. Similarly here you can see 27 2 is 54, and it is 3 multiplied by 9 2 18, and this 9 is also converted in the form of the 3. So 3 square power x. We are using the law of exponent. 2 into x is the 3 power 2x, and so 3 power 54 is as it is. Now you can see the base are same, so again we are using this law. 18 plus 1 is the 9, 19, 3 power 2x. After that 3 power, base are same, so we are using the exponent law. Which law? This one, a power m and a power n. If the base are same and the relation is the division, so power should be subtracted. So 54 minus 19 equals to 3 power 2x. Okay. Now 54 minus 19, if you subtract, it will be a 35, and here is the 3 power 2x. Now if the base are same in left hand side and right hand side, so power should be equate. If the base are same, suppose a power m and a power n, so these power should be equal. Okay, so we'll write 35 equals to 2x. So x value is 35 by 2. Answer.